Hello class, my name is Juwan Parker. Today we're going to be reviewing Spot, Boston Dynamics' newest robot. Uh, so let's talk about its predecessors real quick. If we do a little Google search about Boston Dynamics' first robot, it looks very much like this one right here. So this was their very first prototype, and this one was also gas powered as well, and was very much lower tech than this one right here. So we're going to be going through a video real quick demonstrating their newest system. This new one is programmable. It, I believe, it uses JavaScript and or any other coding service that you would like to be implemented into it. Uh, the special thing about this one, it is far more tactical and has better navigation than all the other robots that they've created. It has programmable AI and obstacle avoidance using their state-of-the-art AI that they've put into this. Like I said before, their older models were mostly gas-powered. This one is now more fuel efficient and uses electricity instead, which lessens the sound of the motors and really helps push it forward. It has the ability to carry up to 14 kilograms, which is very nice. When you're in manual mode too, the AI also helps obstacle avoidances. Uh, the special thing that I like about this is the self-correction. So if it falls over or tips over, it fixes itself upright. It has a lot of environmental applications as well, from outside, ranging to in your in your own daycare. It's basically a day-to-day household helper if you could program it well enough. So let's get into the first question, which is what did I find particularly interesting about this innovation? Is that it's this most state-of-the-art robot that Boston Dynamics has when it comes to their four-legged drones, and its AI system as well. Its AI navigation and obstacle avoidance system really interests me. It's kind of like the Tesla's self-driving mode, but in a less dangerous setting, of course. Some of the benefits individually for this is you could have a personal helper, basically, remote controlled. So on their remote controller that you would use if you wanted to use this manually, it has a camera in the front. This also has a attachable claw mechanism where you could pick up items and store it on its body to bring to you. This innovation can help create jobs because you would need a operator, uh, at least on standby, to help control this robot. It is a great innovation, and I highly suggest somebody forking over the $7,500 to acquire this if you have the expendable funds. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.